Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to fix LG monitor not full screen still in aspect ratio and resolution setting. If your LG monitor is not showing a full screen, has a blot, border or looks stretched, follow these steps to fix still in aspect ratio and resolution setting. Simply firstly go to the chat monitor aspect ratio. Then press the joystick button on the LG monitor, go to the setting, pictures, then aspect ratio and select 6 ratio 9 full wide. Then set red resolution window. Select these settings, then click keep change. Step 3, chat still in window. Use 100% still recommended, then higher still 125% or 50% can cross black border or some apps RAMs. Then go to the step 4, chat GPU control panel setting, click the full screen, then apply changes. Step 5, chat Intel graphics settings. If applicable, open Intel graphics commands. Go to the display, under still and select still full screen, then apply and restart if need. Check table and input sources. Use a root quality HDMI or DisplayPort cable. Try another port like HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. Test with another device. Connect your monitor to another PC or laptop. If it shows a full screen, this issue is with your PC or GPU setting. If not, reset the monitor. Here are the quick fix. Set resolution or recommendation. Set scaling to 100%. Monitor OCD aspect ratio or full wide. GPU control panel made full screen. Restart your system. This solves 90% of full screen issue. If your issue will not solve, you can also go to their official website for LG support. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.